corny as heck, bro. He actually showed him just like in the video. What it do, flight crew? FTC. Flight team stand up! Alrighty, now as promised, there was gonna be a part 2 to the you know what I'm saying, Platinum Award winning Grammy, MTV Slammer, VH1 edition. You know, I tried to, I just ended up making myself look foolish, man. But anyway, bro, you know what I'm saying? It's been about, what, 3 weeks since, you know what I'm saying, Banger Good was released. You know how we rocking, man. It was, you know, something I just wanted to drop it. It's been like months, bro. It's been like months, so I just felt like I just needed to, bro. But anyway, man, we're gonna be reacting to people who reacted to Good because there's been a lot more people that reacted to it since the first time I did, and I actually was interested in seeing the reactions, and I found, you know what I'm saying, a couple of them. Like, I was like 20-30 seconds in, and I was just like, oh no, I gotta watch this with somebody else, you know what I'm saying? So that's why we here, bro. Throughout this, I'll try my best to remember each and every person's name or everything to put in the description. With that being said, man, who's ready? And we have no filter like usual in these, so whatever anybody says, I will clap back, especially if it's just like some crazy, right, unbelievable, unnecessary roast. First victim, you know what I'm saying, we got Prince Tatted, aka Soul Illuminati in the cut. Alright, now, I don't know why he got a clown mask on. I don't know if this was a Halloween theme, but barely understand you. I see what's on the wrist though. I see what's on the wrist though.
The reason why I'm wearing this mask is because I can't take this nigga serious. So I'm gonna just do whatever I want when I react to his videos because it's like, it's tough. You feel me?
First of all, bro, you came in a clown costume, bro. Like, what is you saying right now? We don't even understand what you're saying. You're gonna sit up here and tell me you're gonna wear this the entire video, okay? This is. Let's see.
I know y'all. Hey, I play with bitches like these. Let's do it. You wanna fuck with me? All the ladies that's watching the video, if I slide in your DMs, like, you wanna fuck with me?
Bro, I swear, bro.
Let's talk. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, your boy Flight Reacts been talking crazy. Now I'll let it slide because it's Flight Reacts. I can't take it.
Bro, what did you just say?
I'll let it slide because it's Flight Reacts. I can't take nothing he say serious. But the word on the street is Flight Reacts made a tweet on Twitter, and he said, tag me in a video of Soul Illuminati with another female.
He actually read that, so I knew he did. Then you want to act like you ain't see him. He probably went on live stream that day. Let me hear what he say.
No videos with nobody. I did all this myself. Almost 500K, no collab.
Congrats, boy. And I did the same thing when I got to 1 million. Now, I'm going to spit some real stuff to King So right now, bro. And this is honestly how I felt, too. Maybe he might have the same mindset as, you know what I'm saying, I had. Because I see that me and him kind of have similar, you know what I'm saying, things. Even if he doesn't want to, you know what I'm saying, admit it or he tries to be up. It's cool. But one thing that I was very cautious about, especially when I was about to come up on 1 million subscribers, you know what I'm saying, like when it came to like those female collabs, I honestly could have had that since like 200,000, maybe 100,000. But at the time, because I had just moved out of my parents' house, you know what I'm saying, it was my first apartment, you know, it wasn't the best, but I had to make do with what I had, you know, and for that simple fact, like he's maybe having a little bit of smart in them, if you know what I'm saying. The reason I didn't want to do it is because I didn't want them to see like what was inside of, you know what I'm saying, because obviously you guys not to sugarcoat anything. Like I had the kids, the clear materialistic thing, you guys know how it is, bro. So like I was always skeptical on just like, bro, like, you know, I don't want to be set up, I don't want to be set. And the crazy thing is that like right when I hit 1 million, I got set up, and I have a story time to tell about that on a separate day. But basically, bro, like, yeah, I don't know if he's playing that same game, or maybe he just flat out just doesn't really get anybody. But that's not my business. It shouldn't back to me. This man about to suffocate in the clown mask, trying to, man, say what you gotta say and get on to the. I'm gonna give him like 2 more minutes of this talking, and then I'm gonna go straight onto the song, bro. Cause this man.
So y'all know Flight Reacts said,
This man don't be babbling about it, man. Just get onto the song. I know him by now, bro. He's gonna try and play the innocent game after he knows he started. All like, you know, I be peeping the same thing as just as much as you be peeping, bro. He wants to play the victim. It's okay. So we're gonna skip on right to the song reaction. Just no, not today, coach.
Drop some new heat. You know what I'm saying? No. Y'all was spamming me with this. I didn't get this video for.
Bro, take that clown mask off. I can't take you seriously right now.
I know it's trash, so I didn't even bother reacting to it because I already reacted to it. Hold on, bro. I gotta take this.
Take the mask off. You look silly.
Alright, man.
Thank you. Boy, that man look like he didn't even brush his teeth in about 5 or 7 days, bro. Man, I see all types of freaking chicken. I see all types of like everything up in your teeth, bro. Brush your teeth. But I like what's on the wrist.
Bill. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all miss my voice, man. I know y'all miss my voice. I've just been living life, man. Y'all know what I'm gonna say every time I come on here when I ain't posted a video in a minute. I know I haven't been streaming either. You know what I'm saying? But I just been living life, man. I just been doing these, just chilling. But anyway, I ain't really gotta talk too much, man. I just was talking to y'all. He said, "Hair not stuck from that motherfucker. What the fuck?" That's tough. So, like, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, your boy for life drops some new heat. This song is 2 minutes and 15 seconds too long, my nigga.
You see what I'm talking about, man? What song is gonna be that is a decent. Never mind. Let's wait until the thing is playing, bro. He's gonna get me mad before it starts.
Why do you look like that in your thumbnail, my nigga? That nigga high as shit. I need what you be smoking. Look at that nigga. I need that. I need that. But the only thing I can relate to was like, is we both smoke weed, except for the weed affect him and it don't do anything to me.
Bull. That's not what I be seeing in your live streams, bro. From the clips on Tube. I don't stalk your live streams and watch them live in the full. I'm just not sugarcoating, you know what I'm saying? I watch man So's vids, you know what I'm saying, time to time, but the live stream stuff, I don't just have time to be looking at people's live streams anymore, bro. I'm on the mood too much. So.
But anyway, man, without further ado, let's get to this video, bro.
Yeah.
Hold on. Before I even get to
Bro, you paused at 5 seconds in, bro. Nobody.
Just answer. I know you doing that shit on purpose, though. Why do you rap like that, my nigga? Like, you start off, like, why do you rap like?
Bro, he's trying to find something to explain, bro. This is the easiest way you can tell somebody tries to explain. They do all this hand movement and stuff. Like, stay still, bro. Stay still. What did you take before the video? You scaring me right now. You listen to the song for 5 seconds. Bro, you make me so mad I accidentally exited off of full screen. You listen to it for 5 seconds, bro. There is no humanly way possible you can listen to something for 5 seconds and judge. Like,
my nigga, you rap like you rap with your tongue. You rap like around the tongue.
No, boy, don't compare me to nobody.
You talking about them singing? Listen to you, like, listen. Shit that's understood. Play with a nigga guarantee. Shit don't fucking down.
Yeah. Look, he is 13 seconds into the song and he has a list of problems already, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's his constructive. Like, that's the thing. That's the reason why I mess with the man, bro. But at the same time, like, he's like a babbling, like, elderly man. You see those babbling elderly men that be like 80 years old and you just happen to sit down in a restaurant and he just is just talking to you and you're just like, bro, like, what is you saying to me? Like, okay, I understand you want to be friendly, but get on to the point. Like, this is what he's doing.
Let's listen to what he rapping about, man.
I'm done with these YouTubers, bro. As soon as the hook came on, bro, this man almost broke his neck, bro. I'm done. I'm so done.
The beat bang, but why do you gotta be on the beat? Why?
But why were you bopping your head? I'm confused. You notice he was about to create his own trendy dance move, like bopping this dude, whatever he was just doing. Let's replay that back and act like we didn't know. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. His eyes were so squinty, bro. You know when something go hard and your eyes just be squinting, you just be in that vibe. Like that's the vibe he made, but he just didn't want to admit it. He's just not too man enough. Now, some Illuminati man, I'm sorry. Say goodbye for your part. I have to, you know what I'm saying, leave time for the, quality, people that give off the good. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, shout out to King Saul. We're gonna just honestly just tumble across the search bar on here. Now you guys can easily tell if video was watched when it has that little red bar. So that's a good thing about it. So like the ones from part 1 where I reacted to, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna be able to spot those out easy. So we're just gonna go down a little. We're gonna go down to this man right here. He got the same shirt, like almost as me, like the colorways, but he got that Adidas fit on. We got Brian.
Hey, what's good, everybody? How y'all doing today? It's your boy Brian coming at you with another reaction. Look at the thumbnail. Oh,
that's everybody's first comments.
My Reacts dropped a new banger, okay, and we're about to be reacting to it. It's called FTC. Good.
There you go. You pronounced it right.
Oh my gosh! All right, man. Look.
HB Titan. Everybody always got his name wrong.
If the song is good, I'm gonna say it's good, but I don't know.
Play the song.
Down below in the description, if y'all heard any of Splice song before, y'all know why I'm laughing. Just so niggas wanna go.
Yeah.
It's like, all right, man. You know what? Let's see what type of heat he drops for us today. All right, let's see. I'm gonna leave the original link down below in the description so y'all can check it out for yourself. Y'all can add it to y'all playlist. But without further ado,
you know what I'm saying? Hey, shout out my homie. He giving off that good. The head bopping, no, yeah.
Hold on, who was that? That's not bad. Look, I'm gonna be 100. I'm not gonna lie to y'all.
I remember when I laid down that first verse, I was really going through it that day, I think. Yeah, I remember. I was really going through it, so I put something, and I just wanted to start right when as soon as I heard the beat, I just wanted to start. I didn't want to wait like 10 seconds. I didn't want to give off no intro. I just wanted to that's what it was.
Did I get a ghostwriter?
Nope.
Hey, did he hire this guy? Oh my gosh. I mean, that's not bad. What? This thumbnail just keep throwing me off, bro. I feel like oh my god, he's looking at me.
He said he feel like I'm looking at him. Hey, salute the homie though, bro. You know what I'm saying? Who's next victim? Who next victim? Oh, this guy matching too in the thumbnail, but he got the Nike on though. Let's check him out. Jay Willis. Oh, my fault. The last dude, shout to him. I forgot the channel, but hey, man, I appreciate the love on the last one. That was real. All right, get on with it.
What's going on, everybody, man? Y'all already know what it is. It's your boy Jay Willis here.
What it do? He got the waves on deck. 360 spinning.
Today we got Flight Reacts. It's FTC Good. That's what the song is called. It was a suggested video by one of you guys, so I appreciate you guys for giving me the suggestion. Also, right now, follow my social media link down below. That is how you guys can get in contact with me. Also, drop some videos down you guys would like me to react to. As you can see, I do every single video you guys want me to react to, as long as I haven't seen it prior to.
Get on to the song, please. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, hip hop. Yeah. Hey, salute the homie. Bruh, he's showing love. Who our next victim? Oh, this guy's title seems interesting. Oh, no. I already reacted to that. I remember that. That was a dude that he just was quick to say walking L. 30 seconds into the song, he was bopping the head. I don't know what was up. This guy I wanted to react to.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Teddy Grams, and we back at Teddy Grams TV. We got another banger from the homie Fight, you hear me? It's called Good Good. Yeah, produced by, I ain't even gonna pronounce that name.
HB Titan.
It lit off me, cause it and they trying to come off me.
Yeah.
But what you heard, Uzi, lit up, Robin.
Let's get it.
Still be getting lit off that, you feel me? But that's just me. That shit was gas, you feel me? But we about to jump in.
Gas in this
you feel
bitch.
me? We about to get off that fight. Good. He looks smacked as hell in this picture, boy.
Bro, he sounds just like Kel. Tell me you don't sound like Kel.
Right, bruh. This nigga's really smacked. Look at brother's face. God damn, well, we about to get into a link to the original video in the description, along with my social medias in the top. Let's go.
The way I walk, ain't no question, need a feeling. You never question shit that's understood. Play with a nigga guarantee, shit don't fucking down.
How we rocking? Yeah. 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 The head bop though. So I noticed a lot of people start to bop their head when it comes to the hook. Dante had a good point. You know what I'm saying? In my opinion, obviously, I can be real with myself. Definitely, lyrics definitely need to improve. But I feel like when it comes to hooks, like, I don't know, like, because I'm not going to obviously give you the secrets, bro. That's just not what it, I don't know. I just go off of just, like, feelings and stuff. Like, most of my hooks just be straight feelings and just what I'm going through or what, you know what I'm saying, like, what's happening around me. So I guess that's why people find it's catchy or whatever. But, hey, man, no need to explain what's understood. Just what I said in the beginning, though. Yeah. Yeah.
They don't fight you choking bitches. This nigga fights choking these hoes. If she cheat, I'm a choker. This fight choking hoes.
Yeah. Head bop all the way through. Shout out to homie, Teddy Grams TV. Hey man, the reaction community is getting bigger and bigger by like the weeks, bro. Is it only just me? That's what's up though, man. I that's the thing, man. Who's this guy? J-Way TV? I think I reacted to him the first one. I don't know. We're gonna go more to like the second, third page though. There's a lot more new ones. Oh, this guy. We have a funny guy. You know what I'm saying? He puts a trash symbol pointing at an arrow like everybody doesn't know who the heck somebody's looking at. There's only one per person in the picture. That's me, okay? I don't know if I want to choose them or these couple right here. Let's look at the couple real quick, and I'm going to go back to that too, because I feel like I want to say something to that, man. All right, so we're going to look at this couple called Swagging with Cade and B. Where he got a big behind... Did he even say something? Oh no, that's I think that might be an L, bro. Look at the wife. She's like rolling her eyes. You need to skip to near the middle. Oh, this hurt. Oh, this hurt. You just saw her, you know what I'm saying, older type folks, bro. She got her hand on her head, man. The husband look, I don't even know. What are they gonna say?
Alright. That shit was trash. That was just, I'm sorry. I just had to say that. I'm sorry.
Hey, people are entitled to their own opinions. I don't want you guys to ever feel afraid though, by the way.
I thought that she don't get down, but he just said why her pussy so good. Whose pussy is he talking about? That nigga said if she cheat, I'm a choker. I told you it was a woman. But if he's saying that
You don't even know me. You don't even know me. Look how the people, like, this is an example of people just talking just to talk, bro. And I don't want you guys, by the way, to send like hate and stuff to anybody's channel. Because, like I said, I'm always a person that values freedom of speech. I'm never a person triple that, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna clap back either. You know? Listen, what this. You don't even know me.
Never met or talked to or anything with Armand and Trey. Why are you dissing them in your song? Because you're a bitch. Never talked to these young men. Then you should not have nothing to say. But
Seems mad.
these people mad.
Now they just trying to roast.
What is on the picture of the on the video. Look at the picture, man.
Bro, I'm not even gonna do it to them, coach. Can't do it to them. But shout out to Swaggin' with K&B, man. We gonna still, you know what I'm saying, killing with kindness there, bro. Alright, man, we gonna go on to, I wanted to go on to the dude with the trash symbol. Bro, there is a lot more, bro. Let's see. I'm gonna just randomly pick. Let's go to the 6th page. It's getting interesting. This man, he got his hand up his nose, bro. He look like he's about 35. That's like kindergarten stuff, man. What you doing? Bro, I'm loving some of y'all thumbnails to these reactions, bro. Like, y'all going harder on the thumbnails than me sometimes. This making me feel some type of way. Alright, we gonna choose this. My bad, y'all. I was just looking through the search engine. This guy got 5 dislikes though, man. Smaller channel, Zip Reacts. Let's see what he got to say. Look at he's me mugging already. I put money on it, bro. When the hook come, he gonna bop his head. Yeah. Oh, that dude corny as heck, bro. He actually showed him just like in the video. Hey, yo, I low-key like this dude right here, bro. He just does not give a crap, bro. He does not give, bro, did I just see what I just did? Are y'all seeing what I just seen, bro? Usually people will edit something like, bro, he does not care. I'm trying to go to that part. Oh, here it is. He went on the video and disliked and showed it, bro, with no F's given, bro. Yeah. Look at his face, bro. Let me see what he said at the end. He talking that cash, bro. Bro, I like this dude right here. You see how he looked in the comments and was getting interactive, bro. This man, he it's okay, bro.
This shit is ass.
Look at him checking the comments. This guy has me dead. But on the up recommended page, there was like 5 of my videos shown. That shows he watches my stuff a lot, bro.
I don't know how the fuck he find it. If he find it good.
Let's see, it said toward the end.
I don't know how a nigga can make such a trash ass song, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. This guy angry for some reason. I think he just woke up on the wrong side of the bed that morning, bro. Let's go. Who our next victim? Let's go on the next page. We got Lucky 7. This guy is in his garage. Whoa, wait, what? They said he reacted to it on live stream? Let's see if this isn't clickbait.
Oh my god. Fuck, like. WRL, y'all. WRL. I'm feeling it.
Hey, no, friend. I didn't even know he did this, bro. This has to be new. We want it back.
Fuck. Oh my god. Fuck, like. WRL, y'all. WRL. I'm feeling it.
Yeah.
WRL, y'all.
He bobbing the head. Yeah, Yeah. Oh, it paused. Oh, that's the video buffer. Bro, I hope this thing isn't.
My nigga Flight is a walking dead.
Yeah.
I fucks with him. I fucks with him. I feel like Flight is. Hold on, let me give y'all my opinion. I feel like Flight is improving. Every time I hear a song, I feel like it's improving. Let's get the claps. I feel like he's improving. You know what I'm saying? He's not the best rapper, but I feel like every time he drops a song, he's improving. You know what I'm saying? What was the first song? Tatted me.
Cold-blooded.
Was trash as fuck. I already talked to him about that man to man. It was trash as fuck. Talk to him man to man about that. Come on. 8 seconds. Hold on, bro. Off me. That was much better. It was an upgrade. And then now this song. What is this? Good. The flow is a lot nicer, my nigga. The flow's a lot nicer. That's what life's all about, my nigga. Go fucking put it up. Green. I got that weird. Green.
Hey.
I feel like Flight is improving.
That's that love.
Every single song he's improving. You know what I'm saying? He may not be the best, but at least my nigga is out here and he grinding. And he doing shit he don't care.
Fat
My nigga Flight, he put out tracks he don't give a fuck. You feel me? He put out tracks he don't give a fuck with y'all.
Hey, yo, I didn't even know he did that on a live stream, yo. That surprised me, bro. Y'all some plugs when it comes to these links. Who else? We got one more victim. Should we go to a couple again? We got another couple named It's Jay. This gonna be your last victim. Oh, I see Kellen recommended. I didn't even know he did reaction.
What do you do, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Jay, and you already know how I'm rocking. That way, the official Jay way.
Yeah.
It's lame, but I don't really care. You did. Alright, so as you can tell, I'm with my cousin over there. Y'all go add her on a snap, follow her Instagram, whatever, comment, I don't care. It's gonna be down below.
Yeah, we all add that, right? Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah.
So we finna be reacting to Flight Reacts. I think it's like good, like G-U-D, then space like G-O-O-D.
Uh-huh.
You'll see in the video. But yeah, we're gonna be reacting to Flight Reacts. Good, yeah. Good. Alright.
Play the song. Any day. Why are you looking at the camera like that?
Oh, it don't matter. Just go ahead.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.